Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel an order from AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom side of the screen you see account section, and then at the top you see section My Orders. Tap View All button, and here you should find the order that you want to cancel. Tap on this order to open its details, and you should find button Cancel Order. Then you will be requested to provide a reason why you want to cancel your order. Just pick the one reason that fits you the best, and then submit the cancellation request. And if the payment is still being processed, AliExpress often auto-cancels your order instantly. But if the payment is complete but not shipped, the seller has to approve cancellation. And then you will get your refund usually in 3 to 20 business days, depending on your payment method. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.